how's it going there, YouTube? This is Tio Fuego back here with another video today. And where we're going to be heading today is to my pops' house. For those of you with keen eyes, saw on the little stinger trailer I put on the back end of my last video, we have the real new motorcycle in my family, and that is my dad just picked up a brand new Indian motorcycle. So we are going to go check that out, maybe do a little cruise with him around a couple of local streets, and maybe we'll see if we can hop on to a little spin ski, see if we can compare the two and see how a quote-unquote real cruiser compares to a Honda Rebel. So it is a glorious day out today. Weather's in the mid-60s. It's a beautiful spring day. Baseball is back. All is right in the world again. So, utilizing this opportunity and nice weather to go out, get a quick ride in. So my dad just got the bike maybe a week or so ago. So I had a couple of practice runs around the blocks, the local streets, getting a feel for the bike, getting a feel for riding again. So hopefully I can meet up with him, maybe ride with him, take it around the block a few times, and just pop in, take my bike and say hi. And that motor alert seat handles those bumps so well. Such a big difference. Ooh, it smells like someone's barbecuing. Okay. Let's see the big reveal. Ta-da! 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 What's the matter, ducks? So my parents have ducks in their backyard. No! Bye, duck! Bye, duck! They said, we're getting the duck out of here. So what is it? What model? Is it just a Scout, a standard Scout, or is it a what is it, a standard Scout, or is it a Scout 60, or is it a Scout? What is it?
Superchief.
Superchief. Chief.
It's the Chief line, but the one with the bag and the windshield is
Superchief. Hey, where you want to go?
Barbara again?
Sure. Here we go. We're going to be picking up now with my dad and I misspoke. I said it was a Scout. It's actually a Superchief. Chief. Let's go. This is also my first, my bicycle down here, my first ride with anybody. you can see right away just from riding it from behind. It has that generic cruiser riding positions, the forward foot controls, the much wider rear tire, it looks like, compared to what mine is. The low profile, and my bike is low, and I feel like I'm like towering over him as far as like height is concerned. The seat is much lower. At least that's what it looks like from here in this angle. You know, it's funny that when people tell me, oh, it's like riding a bike, you never really forget that's similar to riding a motorcycle. You know, picking back up almost basically where he left off. What the hell's happening? Hey, another person's doing it. Oh, this way you say, hey? This way, hey? Yeah, that motor looks, he's handling these bumpers. What you working on? The road? The plane! Also, if I'm looking at it from back here, it does look like, obviously it's a heavier bike than the Honda Rebel. So it does look like it's handling the bumps on the road very well. It doesn't look like he's jostling at all. So I'm really interested to see if I can get on there. Maybe take a couple of laps around the block, get a feel for it, and see if I can feel the difference between the two. So interesting question. What in the flying fuck? Alright, well, actual interesting question. Seen a couple of videos of other riders on the YouTube, watching people riding in groups, and like I'm kind of trying to piece together proper riding positions when you're riding with a group or with another bike. So let me know how my positioning is in, I guess, in relation to the other bike and everything like that. Because obviously we want to do everything the right way. So if anybody has a lot of experience with riding in groups, you can share that insight with me. It would be much appreciated.